Guys, I think this is the admin diamond rain. See it in action, see it in action. I want some diamonds. You also get the admin axe, and you also get the admin flashlight. Whoa, a diamond spawned. What is this? Yo! Diamonds! Yo, how many diamonds did I get? Yo, more diamonds. What? They all were spawning. Guys, come on. Give me more diamonds. Yo, the admin rain is crazy. Oh, I can't collect any more diamonds. Is it over? It's gone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing.